3, 2, 1.
In Breaking Bad, Walter White was a teacher of which subject? The answer is B, chemistry. The shape of the moon appears to change regularly during each month. Which of the following best explains why the shape of the moon appears to change? The answer is C, the moon orbits around the Earth. Guess the missing number from the following sequence: 12, 24, 48, 120, 240, 264. The answer is A, 96. If an electric current passes through water, water molecules break down into molecules of what? The answer is C, hydrogen and oxygen. What is the stringed instrument played by pulling a bow across it? The answer is C, violin. Who holds the record for fastest marathon run dressed as a fruit? The answer is D, Tommy Peck 2:27:17 as a Kiwi. What is the sum of infinite series 1/1/2 plus 1/3 1/4 plus up to 20 terms? The answer is C, 2.6. The printing press was invented by whom? The answer is A, Gutenberg. What is Punxsutawney, PA known for? The answer is D, a little groundhog named Phil. Which author wrote the Pickwick Papers? The answer is A, Charles Dickens. Which tool is used to cut through metal pipes or rods? The answer is D, hacksaw. In which Stephen King story do we meet the intriguing stranger Andre Linoge? The answer is B, Storm of the Century. What supports most of Earth's ecosystems? The answer is D, sun. Moths undergo complete metamorphosis. Which stages does a moth's life cycle include? The answer is A, egg, larva, and pupa. The life of which character, depicted by Jack London, resembles very much the author's life? The answer is A, Martin Eden. Limestone is insoluble in water, so what can dissolve it? The answer is B, acid. What is the smallest breed of horse? The answer is C, Arabia. What is the color of Johnny Bravo's eyes? The answer is C, it is never revealed. Renal plasma flow equals the blood flow per minute times the what? The answer is C, hematocrit. What is the world's first programming language? The answer is C, Python. What country is not part of the European Union? The answer is D, United Kingdom. What type of meal is the Norwegian omelette? The answer is B, dessert. What year did the first personal computer, IBM PC, release? The answer is B, 1981. Which of these is a novel by Stephen King? The answer is A, Pet Sematary. How do Napoleon and Trisha get to the school dance in the comedy movie Napoleon Dynamite? The answer is A, Pedro's cousins drive them in their lowrider. Which continent has the highest number of unique species of birds? The answer is A, Africa. What do tweezers usually grab? The answer is D, hairs. Who was the best friend and roommate of Julia Roberts' character in the film Pretty Woman? The answer is A, Kit. Which of these actresses won an Oscar for portraying a male character? The answer is B, Linda Hunt. What does a funambulist walk on? The answer is B, a tightrope. I'm the man who chased the sun but never caught it. Who am I? The answer is A, Prometheus. Which unit of time is equal to 1,000th of a second? The answer is A, millisecond. In volleyball, what is a spiked attack called? The answer is D, spike. Which of these is the study of Mars? The answer is C, areology. What is the term for a medical practitioner who specializes in mental health issues? The answer is B, psychiatrist. Who designed the Gothic Cathedral of Notre Dame? The answer is D, Pierre de Montreuil. Which type of compound is formed by the electrolysis of water? The answer is A, ionic compound. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is B, Japan. What is the study of the structure, function, and behavior of living organisms called? The answer is D. Biology. Which sitcom takes place in a bar named Cheers? The answer is D. Cheers. To what perfume category do vanilla fragrances belong according to the modern classification of scents? The answer is A. Gourmand. Which object is best used to demonstrate the bending of light as it passes through a substance? The answer is A. Convex lens. What is the basic unit of matter in chemistry?
The answer is A. Atom.
In which Shakespeare play does the character Macbeth appear? The answer is D. Macbeth. Which author wrote The Emperor's New Clothes?
The answer is B. Hans Christian Andersen.
What creates music by vibrating a reed? The answer is D. Oboe. In which South American country is there a small population that speaks only Spanish and Welsh? The answer is B. Argentina. A tumor of what gland can cause hypersecretion of growth hormone? The answer is D. Pituitary gland. The sodium-potassium pump is an active transport pump that exchanges sodium ions for what? The answer is D. Potassium ions. In which sport do players use a racket set?